Hi guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I will guide you through step by step how you can play with friends in Block Crazy Robo Worldcraft. So the first thing that we need to do once we open up Block Crazy Robo Worldcraft is we need to head over to the main menu here. Now what we need to do is we need to select the play button, and once we click on play, if we then go to create new and we need to start and create a new world, you then want to click on create new world here. And now what you want to do is you can name your world and you can go through and change all of the different settings here. But on the left hand side, we want to scroll down until you see the option for multiplayer. Select multiplayer. And then as you can see at the top, you want to enable this to be a multiplayer game. And you also want to make sure that you enable visible to LAN players. Once we have enabled both of these settings, we can click on create. And then that will then create our brand new world. Click on proceed. And once it has built our world, we are then good to go to the next step. Now, what we need to get our friend to do is we need to get our friend to come over to the main menu here. So once your friend is on the main menu, all you need to do is click on play. And then as you can see here at the top, there is an option now for friends. Click on this. So what you need to do is you need to be both connected to the same Wi-Fi network to play a multiplayer game together. So once you click on here and your friend is both connected to the same Wi-Fi network, the game will then show up in here, and then you can go through and you can click on it to play multiplayer with your friends. So once you do all of this, you will then be able to play with friends, and it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I will see you in the next one.